In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Steam apps folder in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to manage your game files or troubleshoot an issue, knowing how to access this folder is a crucial skill for any Steam user. So let's dive right in and walk through each step together. First, you'll want to open your File Explorer. This is the window that lets you browse through everything stored on your computer. It's like the gateway to all your files and folders. You can usually find the File Explorer icon right there in your taskbar, and it looks like a little folder. Give that a click to get started. Once you're inside the File Explorer, take a look at the options on the left hand side and click on This PC. This section gives you an overview of all the drives and main folders on your computer. From there, you'll want to navigate to your Windows C drive. This is your main storage location and where most of your applications, including Steam, are stored. Find and click on the Windows C drive option. Inside the C drive, you'll see several folders. What you're looking for now is the Program Files x86 folder. Double click to open it. This folder houses applications built for Windows operating systems, both old and new. If you don't see it right away, remember that you can sort items by name or type to make locating it easier. After entering the Program Files x86 folder, scroll down and locate the Steam folder. This is where the magic happens, as it contains all the essential files to run your Steam client. Double click on the Steam folder to open it and take a peek inside. In the Steam folder, there's another folder you'll want to find, and that's the Steam apps folder. This is where everything related to your games is stored. Click on Steam apps to continue exploring inside this directory. Once you're in the Steam apps folder, you need to click on Common. This folder is the final stop on our journey today and is home to all your individual game files. Treat this folder with care because any changes here can directly affect your games. You should now see all your game files. This view gives you access to perform a variety of actions, from tweaking game settings to verifying file integrity, or even moving files if your drive is getting full. Having quick access to this folder means you can spend less time searching and more time gaming. And there you have it, you've successfully navigated to your Steam apps folder. By following these steps, you can now easily access and manage your game files, ensuring your gaming experience is always smooth. Thanks for joining me and happy gaming.